Hi there, this is Pratyush from Proxlite, and in this video we are going to create a text-to-speech converter. If you search on web the text-to-speech converter, then you have to pay some money for that. But today in this tutorial we are going to create it for free. Yes, absolutely free, using Python. So if you are new to our channel, then make sure to subscribe the channel so that you can get every tutorial first on this platform. So first of all, we are inside our command prompt, that is cmd, and then type in the installation of the GTTS, that is Google Text to Speech. Yes, we need this module for this tutorial or this project, so you need to simply install it. Pip install. Now after clicking this, hit enter, and after some time you will see that requirements already satisfied. For me, because I have already installed this package on my Python. So let's close it out. Now, first of all, import the GTTS. To do this, just write now here make sure that these double T are in capital letter. You make sure that this should be in capital letter. Now after that we need to import the OS here. Now after importing OS, we have to start coding our program. First of all, I will write here that this is my import section, so I will give a comment. Okay, now after this we need to write our main program. So here first of all we are going to open our text file. I have already created a text file here on my web browser, or you can create it on a notepad. So just create it and save it on the file that you want to convert. So first of all I will open up the files. F equals. Now here in this code I am writing 1.txt. Make sure that file should be in txt. Other formats are not available for this package. So after that we are going to read this file, because after opening the file we need to read that file and then we will convert it. So just click here. Now as you can see, we are reading the F. F means the text file that we are opening. So after reading, we need to set the language here. So I will set my language. Now for me, I want to convert the text into a speech, which should be in English language here. So now hit enter, and now we need to convert it to audio. So just write down audio. Now in this code I have just assigned the value of the audio. So this should be a GTTS file. We will convert the text into speech. The text is X, which we have opened, and we want to read it on the X variable. Now the language should be language here. The language means it is English here, and it should be slow. You can just turn it off by just typing in false here. And after that been done, let's write another code to save this audio into our system. So to do this, simply write down this code. Now here in this 2 line of code we have to save the audio. We can save it by using save function here, and make sure that the format should be in WAV format, WAV. If you want to save it in MP3 format, then it is not supported yet in this package. So then we will be saving it on our OS system, that is OS system 1.wav. So this is our whole program, and it is really easy. So this is the first part where you have to import all the packages, and then this is the second part where we need to open up our txt file. So make sure that it should be a txt file here, and here we are setting up the language, and this should be our main audio. This should be our main audio, which we are getting after the final render. So this is the audio format. Let's try it out and see what we can get. Here I am inside my file, and here I have opened the text here. This is my program and this is my text. If I open up my text, you can see I have written something about Python from Wikipedia. I have just copied it out. So let's read this using our program. So what we want to do is double click on this file, and it will take some time, and make sure that you are connected to internet. So this is really quick and easy. You can change your text here and then run this program and get your audio. So this was just really easy. So this was the easy code, and this code is available on the description. You can download it directly from the description. And also we will be creating this kind of awesome small project just in our channel. So if you are really interested in this, please comment below, and if you have any query, then also ask me down below. So thank you for this tutorial, and make sure to like, subscribe and share this video to get much more tutorials like this. Goodbye.